Hi guys, good evening, good morning to you. So we have taken out the weed from the field. If you see the clouds, this is a verifiable evidence. Only our field in the entire surrounding is having like huge clouds. If you see anywhere outside, and there was a rain yesterday, only in the field, nowhere else. So you see the huge clouds with the black color only in the field, not anywhere else. So I believe the Tesla model and the ancient plants energy is really working. Let's see. Thank you all. Have a good day.